In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot and ChatGPT. If you want to work faster, write better, and stay organized, these two tools can be incredibly useful. The key is understanding what each one does best and then using them together in a smart workflow. Let's start with their strengths. Microsoft Copilot is designed to work directly inside Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. That means it's especially helpful when you're already working on documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or email. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is excellent for writing, research, brainstorming, coding, and problem-solving. Both tools can automate tasks and improve productivity, but when you combine them, you can create a much more powerful system. A simple example is this: you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and organize your thoughts, and then use Copilot to turn that content into a polished PowerPoint presentation. Now let's talk about using ChatGPT for planning and content creation. This is where it really shines. You can ask it to generate ideas, create outlines, and draft first versions of your content. It can help with blog posts, reports, emails, and scripts. It's also useful for researching topics, summarizing information, and giving you detailed explanations or recommendations. For example, you might type a prompt like "create a detailed marketing plan for a new online business." From there, you can refine the response, ask for changes, or build on the draft until it matches your goal. Next, use Copilot inside Microsoft apps to bring that content into your daily workflow. In Word, Copilot can help draft and improve documents. In Excel, it can analyze data and assist with formulas. In PowerPoint, it can generate presentation content and help structure your slides. In Outlook, it can summarize emails and meetings, which is especially useful when you need to turn notes into something clear and professional. For example, you can use Copilot to transform meeting notes into a polished report. To get the most value, combine both tools. Start by brainstorming and refining ideas in ChatGPT. Then move that content into Microsoft tools where Copilot can help you edit, format, analyze, and present it. This approach saves time on repetitive work so you can focus more on decision-making and higher-level tasks. A great workflow looks like this: generate a business proposal with ChatGPT, edit and format it in Word using Copilot, create presentation slides in PowerPoint with Copilot, and then draft follow-up emails in Outlook using Copilot. When you use ChatGPT for thinking and Copilot for execution, you create a smoother, faster, and more productive